Hey YouTube, it's me, Chad here again. Look, I just want to know if anybody sneezes excessively, okay? I'm over here. Watch, I can blow my nose. I might be done now, but I just got done sneezing about 10 times, okay? And it's not because I got a cold. It's not because I'm sick. It just happens all the time, you know? Alright, hold up. Yeah, I think I'm done now, but okay, I gotta get that little bit right there off that bottom right there. Sometimes on my top too. But I just want to know. I mean, what can I do to stop this? This is nuts. I swear, like every time, if I start sneezing, you might as well just count 10, 15 times after that, I'm sneezing, okay? What can I do? And does anybody else have that problem? Or issue? Or disease? Or STD? I don't know what it is, okay? Let me know. See!